Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will be seeing how we can scrape a product from an e-commerce website and keep track of the price if it drops in the future. If it drops, it will notify us. So in our earlier lecture, we saw that how we can scrape a random website or a web page, and we also saw how we can scrape an image. So now we can see like how we can scrape our favorite product from an e-commerce website, like say Amazon or Flipkart, and it will then notify us if the price of the product drops. All right. So I hope it will be interesting. Let's get to the editor first. Okay, we are on the editor. So here you can see I have already written the code for web scraping the product from Flipkart. Even though I have written the title name as Amazon, I can just rename it. Flipkart. All right. So I'll be just explaining you step by step what I have done here so that you can just mimic it. Also, I'll be providing the code to this program. All right. So on top, we have imported the necessary libraries like request to make the request and Beautifulsoup to scrape it and the time. The URL we are making a GET request to, that URL you can see here. Okay, that URL you can see over here. So we will be scraping this product, all right, and we'll be scraping the title of it and the price of it, all right. So let's get back. All right, so we'll be writing the whole code under while loop. Why is that? Because we want to run this loop until and unless the price drops. All right, and we'll be taking the time of 5 seconds. We'll be taking the time of 5 seconds to check the next value. All right, so it's the same as the earlier. Like we will be making the GET request, we'll be getting the response, the HTTP content response. We will pass those HTTP content using Beautifulsoup and create an object out of it. Using that object, we will find the title of the product and the price of the product. So in the title, it's given under the span element. So that's a span, and we will be extracting it using a class name. And the price, whereas it is given under the div element, and you can extract it using class name. So now this is interesting. This condition I have written to avoid the none error. Sometimes what happens that the find could not find the exact match on the web page, so it returns the none. To bypass that none error, none type error, you have to write this condition. All right. So you get the title product, you make it a text and strip any extra space over there. Else return unknown. And same for the price, but we want the price in float. That's why we wrote float. And we also want to replace whatever the commas inside the price with the empty string and any currency symbol with the empty string, so that we will get a numeric value, a raw numeric value. After all this, we will just print the title and the price and ask if the price is less than desired price. So the desired price we have already defined, that is 5,000, and if it is dropped under 5,000, then we will state that the price has dropped. Otherwise, every 5 seconds it will keep running, the while loop will keep running, and it will tell you that price hasn't dropped for the title and the price. So let's run it real quick and see what is the output. Okay, so see, you get the title and the price of the product every 5 seconds. It will keep running and keep running. If you want to see that how it will execute, if this condition executes, so you can put any price less than 5,000 over here and see the price has dropped, will print it on the console. So that's it then. This is how you can scrape your favorite product from e-commerce site and notify yourself. So you can put actual notify or notification or email notification kind of logic over here under this if test statement, so that it will be a small mini project for you guys. All right. I hope you like it. See you next time. Thank you.